Hello and welcome in another video. Today we have this Skoda Octavia that we've done several upgrades to, but the one I want to show you in particular is the OEM Skoda reversing camera. So let's start from the back here, which as you can see, a grip which I can open here for you. The new grip has been already installed with the lens, so you can see the camera sits exactly there. And most important, let me show you the operation. Right, so I've got the car running. Before I get to the operation, we also did on this car Blackview DR970X 2-channel front and rear dash cam with the additional battery, ultra battery B130X system. So if you want to continue recording on extended time after the ignition is switched off. But back to the camera, if I select the reverse gear, this brings the full rear view camera on the main screen. The car already had front and rear sensors factory installed these here, so these obviously stay. And then in addition, you get the camera that comes up. You have a little bit of the rear bumper showing here. And then the guidelines move with the steering wheel. If I'm moving, you can see they move left and right. And yeah, this is all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. If you want more information, links will be in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.